this is the Hook Lying Hamstring Bridge with a left hip shift and right glute max integration. So the setup for this exercise, you're just gonna need a towel roll or a pillow underneath the head to keep the head and neck in a nice neutral, relaxed orientation. Then you're gonna get a light band that you can wrap around both legs, a little higher than both knees here. And you're gonna set up in this A-frame on the ground, which just means that you're gonna have about a 60-degree bend in your hips, and you're gonna have about a 60-degree bend in your knees, but you're gonna have both feet flat on the ground, about hips width apart, okay? Now, the first step in this exercise is to set the orientation of the pelvis. So you're gonna push both feet down into the ground a little bit, and then you're gonna lift your tailbone up from the floor. And that should get you to feel a little bit of hamstrings. And then your next step is you're gonna take your right leg and you're going to push it forward or away from you, which is gonna make it more forward than the left, all right? Then from there, you're going to push that right thigh out into the band until you feel this outer hip muscle engage there. Once we've got all that in place, we're gonna start to take breaths out through our mouth where we're going to exhale. And we're going to exhale gently and get all that air out until our side abs engage. We'll hold a little bit of that tension in our side abs and breathe in through our nose. And then we're going to exhale again. Now, the entire time, you're going to keep your tailbone up from the table. You're still gently pressing down through your feet. And you're going to make sure that that right knee is going out away from you. And you're pushing into the band, looking to get that right outside glute to engage. We want the position of the pelvis to be facing the left, but we want this outer hip muscle on the right to be essentially pushing our pelvis to the left. All right, we're gonna just stay here for 5 to 8 breath cycles where we're just continue to breathe in through our nose, out through our mouth. We're gonna do 2 to 3 sets and look to do this exercise 2 to 3 times per day.